Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is how to buy Polkadot cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you in this video just how to buy it step by step. So where you need to actually go to buy Polkadot, all of the things that you're going to need to set up an account and start trading, the supported purchase methods. Also towards the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how I will go and buy some Polkadot, and then some staking of Polkadot as well, because you can actually stake Polkadot to earn some rewards on your holdings. I'll leave all the timestamps for this video in the video description, plus all of the services that I talk about. I'll leave those linked in the description as well if you want to go ahead and use them to buy Polkadot. But firstly, let's get on to what Polkadot actually is. Polkadot is actually a blockchain, and you're going to be trading the cryptocurrency of Polkadot. So it's named Polkadot, but you can also look for the ticker, which is DOT or DOT. Polkadot is actually often compared to Ethereum for a few reasons. The founder of Polkadot was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Ethereum and Polkadot, though, are not really direct competitors. ETH and DOT do have a lot of similarities. You can build applications on top of them. They do have a lot of differences as well, though. But Polkadot is growing in size. The value is going up as the blockchain moves on. If you do want to go ahead and buy Polkadot, you're going to have to find an exchange that actually supports trading. When you sign up for the exchange, you're going to need some documents ready to sign up. They're really important because if you don't have these, you won't be able to go ahead and buy. The main one is your ID card. This can be a passport, a driving license, or a national ID card, depending on which country that you live in. You may have heard one of the benefits of trading cryptocurrencies is that you can trade them anonymously. That is true, but if you want to buy Polkadot with a fiat currency like dollars or pounds, you're going to have to give over your ID and transfer that money in. So anonymity is gone if you want to trade this way. Next though, and more importantly, is finding the right currency exchange to go ahead and buy Polkadot. And there's really two ways to go ahead and actually start trading. The first is a really simple currency exchange that a lot of crypto exchanges offer. I use Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. All of these services also have really feature-rich smartphone applications as well, where you can go ahead and buy Polkadot. You can also get a lot more market information, trading info, and other stats on Polkadot, amongst other cryptocurrencies. As of making this video, Polkadot is not a supported cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Coinbase is great if you want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or a bunch of other cryptocurrencies, but for making this video anyway, Polkadot is not supported, so you'll probably have to look at either Binance or Kraken. Every cryptocurrency exchange has more advanced features where you can go and control every aspect of your trade, including when you place the trade, limit prices and limit orders for your cryptocurrency. And also they'll give you much more advanced charting and pricing information as well. It does require a learning curve, and I've got many videos on just how to do it on my channel, so you're welcome to go and watch those. Next is purchase methods, and there's two main ways to go and purchase Polkadot and other cryptocurrencies. The first is via a credit card. This is the simplest, fastest way to get a holding of Polkadot. You can go on any of these services and instantly buy Polkadot with a fiat currency. The downside of this is that it's more expensive. No matter what trading service you use, using a credit card is the most expensive way. You'll be paying maybe 1.5%, 2%, even up to 3.5% or more per transaction, which is a huge amount to pay. Most people therefore prefer a bank transfer. This way is usually free. You can just transfer some money into your account, wait for that to go through, and then you can go ahead and use that money to input trades. And this type of trading fee can be as low as about 0.5%. So you'll be saving a lot of money overall compared to buying via a credit card. Let's go ahead then and buy some Polkadot, and I'm going to do this on Binance. I'll leave the link to Binance below if you want to sign up for an account. You can also use other exchanges to buy Polkadot though, and you have the same options on most exchanges. You can go and actually buy with a credit card. Let's just click on this to see the option. Now, with any other cryptocurrency as well, all you have to do is go down to the coin that you want to buy. Just search for DOT. That's the ticker for Polkadot. So I'm going to search for DOT here, and it's right here for me. DOT is supported on Binance. Then you have to choose how much you want to buy. You can put that in. It's going to show you how many Polkadot you can get for the amount of your fiat currency. You can also change the fiat currency very easily here. So I can search for US dollars, or I can search for euros. You can choose your fiat currency, enter how much you want to buy, and then it's going to give you that. And then all you have to do is just go through and input your card details into the system, and it's going to go ahead and charge you for this purchase. Like I said previously in this video, this is the simplest way, but also the most expensive way because you're going to have some credit card fees. So let's go through to the more advanced trading options. On Binance, you can come up to trade right here and then come through to advanced, and it's going to give you this advanced trading screen. This might look a little bit scary and complicated, but actually once you know what everything is, it's fairly simple. We have a lot of good trading information. So for example, up here, we have prices of the current cryptocurrency, and we have changes on the day, the high price and low price for the day, the average volume of trades. So it is just some simple trading information. Over here, this thing that's moving all the time is the order book. This is simply the market in the cryptocurrency or currency pair that you're trading. Everything down here in green, these are buyers. These are people that have entered purchase orders and bids onto the system, and you can see all of their prices here. Above those are sellers. These are everyone who wants to sell some Bitcoin, in this case against the US dollar tether. So this market that we're looking at is Bitcoin against USDT. We're going to change that to Polkadot in a second though. But this order book is full of buyers here and sellers here. Now, when a buyer and a seller actually match their price, they can go through and trade, and that is this price right here in the middle. Of course, it's always changing around as bidders and sellers can come on, maybe trade or not trade, and so the price will move up and down depending on just supply and demand. Let's go through and trade some Polkadot then. So we can come up here and actually change this. Now, right now I'm looking at fiat markets. Now, fiat markets are any cryptocurrency versus a fiat currency. So we're looking at US dollars or possibly pounds. So I'm going to go and search for DOT. So I'm going to type in DOT. Now we can see all of the Polkadot markets versus fiat currencies. We can scroll down here and we see US dollar tether markets. I see BNB markets, and I also see a euro market. Somewhere where a lot of people may get stuck is they think, well, I just can't see Polkadot versus the US dollar. What's going on? I can't trade it. So some altcoins do have this issue, and there are ways around it. Firstly, you can see here that there's actually no US dollar market. There is a USDT and there is a BUSD market. There's even a BNB market. If you want to go ahead and trade an altcoin like Polkadot, you may have to transfer your fiat currency into a stable coin first. Stable coins like US dollar tether, ticker USDT, or Binance USD, ticker BUSD, these are stable coins. These are essentially a cryptocurrency version of a fiat currency. So USDT and BUSD track the US dollar on a one-for-one basis. They are the exact value of the US dollar and apparently are backed one-for-one by US dollars as well, so they cannot fluctuate from the actual US dollar price. Therefore, if you want to trade US dollars against Polkadot, you will first have to actually convert some of your US dollars into one of these stablecoins. You can do that on this system as well, but maybe the easiest way is to go through and convert. So if you do have some pound sterling on account, let's go GBP, and you have this on account, you can put that in, and then you can go through and convert that into a stable coin like Binance USD. So if you had US dollars, Aussie dollars, euros, whatever fiat currency, if you are not able to directly trade that against Polkadot, that market doesn't exist, then you first have to convert your fiat currency into a stable coin like Binance USD or US dollar tether. These stable coins can be traded against virtually every single cryptocurrency. So first get your fiat into a stable coin, and then we can go ahead and trade. We can come back to the advanced system and choose this market. So right now I'm going to come up to DOT like this, and I'm going to trade DOT against USDT. Now we have Polkadot against the US dollar tether, and we can go through and trade. I'm going to very simply enter a limit order to buy some Polkadot. So I'm going to come over to place order, go on buy, then I'm going to choose the price. Right now it's trading at 24.7, so that's fine by me. I'm happy with this price, and I can go ahead and choose the amount of Polkadot that I want. On Binance, you have this slider. So I actually have some US dollar tether, so I can just slide this right up and say, I want to use 100% of my position. Right now it's nothing, like $9, or you can just put 50%, 40%, whatever, or you can just choose yourself and put that amount in. So maybe you want to choose 5 or 50 Polkadot coins, and it will work out the total fee for you. So it takes the price of Polkadot valued in US dollar tether, times it by the amount that you want to buy, and it's going to give you a price. If I add an O on here, it will obviously move the decimal point for me. So the price that you want to pay, you're going to pay 24 US dollars per one Polkadot, and then the total price in US dollars or US dollar tether that you will go ahead and actually pay to buy those Polkadot. If you don't care about the price and you just want to buy some Polkadot, come to a market order. You don't choose the price here, like you can see. It will just lift all of these sellers. So you can put the amount of Polkadot that you want to buy. If you want to buy 100 Polkadot, then you can go ahead and buy, and that will be executed right away for you. It's going to take these sellers right here because these are sell orders on the book, and it's just going to lift all of these orders and buy the amount of Polkadot that you actually want to purchase. That will go right through for you, and that will be right into your wallet straight away. On Binance, you can come over to your wallet, click on overview, and then that will all be in your wallet for you to go ahead and do other things. One of those other things that you may want to do is stake Polkadot, because Polkadot is a proof of stake blockchain and we can stake our coins. Sticking on Binance, we can come through to Binance Earn, and I'll quickly show you how to do this. We can come down to staking. So we're going to click on staking right here. We're going to click on view more. As we come down, you can go and search for Polkadot. So we'll expand all of this and just search for Polkadot here. You can see it. And the staking returns on an annual basis are almost 16%. It has a very, very high return. What does this actually mean? Well, you can use your coins to stake them on the proof of stake blockchain. And in return, Polkadot gives a reward for those staked coins. So we can come to stake now, then you have to look at some of the options here. But on Binance, you can have locked staking. This means you don't have access to your coins for the duration that you're staking them. I'll choose 30 days right here. So you can put max or enter an amount. So maybe if you put 500, then you can see the summary of this. So you will start on the day that you start staking. The value date will be 30 days after if you choose this. And then you'll be given an interest on a daily basis. For right now, the estimated annual percentage yield is a figure of 15.79%. It's given to you in an annualized figure, so it's easier to compare to other products. It will also give the estimated amount of actual Polkadot coins you will receive as your reward for staking over the term. You can click to I have read and then confirm purchase. This is just a brief overview of buying and staking Polkadot. I do have some more in-depth and step-by-step how-to videos on staking for Binance and also staking in general. I'll link those in the description below for you if you want to go ahead and watch those. If you want to go right ahead and buy some Polkadot, I'll leave the links to Binance and to Kraken in the description for you. You can see which exchange is best for you. Do subscribe to the channel also for way more helpful cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.